VICTOG.com.
Now we are going to solve another problem by factorization. This question is not as easy as the earlier one. So be very careful when solving this question. The question is 3x square minus 2 root 6x. 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the question. So we have to think of two numbers whose sum is minus 2 root 6. Sum is equal to minus 2 root 6. Sum minus 2 root 6 and product of the numbers must be 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. We have to consider or find out two numbers such that their sum is minus 2 root 6, that is the coefficient of x, and the product of the two numbers must be 3 into 2, 6. Such two numbers are minus root 6 and minus root 6. Their sum is minus 2 root 6 and the product will be minus into minus plus root 6 into root 6, 6 itself. So we have to split the middle term. For that, write the first term as it is. 3x square minus, instead of 2 minus 2 root 6x, we are writing root 6x minus root 6x, then plus 2 is equal to 0. For taking common factor, just on a side we can't find out any common factor from the first two terms. So we are going to split 3 into root 3 into root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 3x square become root 3 into root 3 x square minus this root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2 x. Again, from these two terms we can't find out any common factor. For our convenience, we are splitting root 6 into minus root 3 into root 2 x and 2 we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 0. Now, from the first two terms, we can take root 3x as a common factor. 1 root 3 common, x and 1x we can take as common. So, we are taking root 3x as common. The remaining is root 3x. 1 root 3 is there and 1x is there. Minus root 3 and x we have taken outside and the remaining is root 2. Similarly, from here also we can take minus root 2 into x as a common factor. Minus root 2 into x, because in the second factor also we have to find out the common factor root 3x minus root 2. We must get a common factor root 3x minus root 2 here also. For that, we are taking minus root 2x as common. Minus root 2 as common. Here no x and so we cannot take x as common. Minus root 2 can be taken as a common factor. This plus means product of 2 minus. Minus into minus is plus. So one negative sign or one minus can be taken outside. Then this minus root 2. Here also 1 minus is taken as a common factor. The remaining is root 3x. From this 2 minus, 1 minus is taken outside. The remaining is minus 1 root 2 is taken. The remaining is root 2 is equal to 0. Now, here also root 3x minus root 2. Here also root 3x minus root 2. Then 1 root 3x minus root 2 can be taken outside as a common factor. Root 3x minus root 2 into the remaining is also root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now both the brackets or both the factors are same. So root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 means root 3x is equal to minus root 2, we are getting plus root 2 on right side is equal to root 2. Therefore, x is equal to root 2 divided by root 3. We can write this as root of 2 by 3. We got the value of x. If we are taking the second factor, then also we get the same 0 or same root or same solution. That is x is equal to root of 2 by 3 itself. So simply we can write the solution as solution x is equal to root of 2 by 3 root of 2 by 3. The same value is repeating. The solutions are equal. The roots are equal. So, the roots of 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to root of 2 by 3, root of 2 by 3 itself. Okay.